Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the movement on this one today, but once again, the markets remain crazy, and I'm sure you realize that. You're well aware, but nonetheless, updates here need to be made. The disappointing thing about today was that, yesterday things had made a great day. I mean, when you stop and think about the price, had worked its way all the way up here. And then the kind of tease about today was it gapped down, so things weren't looking so good, but then it roared right back upwards, and then from that actually just rolled right back over. Now, that doesn't mean that the entire chart is destroyed. I'm just talking about more so from one day individually. So today, yeah, not the best day, but looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, actually, let me bring this down to offer up a little bit more context. You can see that the price is still working on building an overall higher low. Not that long ago, the price was, all the way down here a couple of times. Then it rolled back over and only got down that low. And now it's rolled back over again, but it's still just hovering right around this area. So if you kind of get the general idea here, and if you picture these as some stair steps, then you can see that the stair steps are still working themselves in the upwards direction. So in order to better illustrate that, what I'm going to do here is just get a general trend line in play. I realize that this is not, the ultimate perfect trend line, but like I said, I'm just trying to convey the overall concept that the price, generally speaking, is still working its way higher and higher. So going forward, that orange line there, in my opinion at least, is going to be a very important level because that is what's measuring the overall drift, or hence the name trend line, the overall trend of the price as things have played out, with all the drama and up and down action. So watch that as a key level of support. As far as overall levels of resistance are concerned, so let me get this changed here, red for resistance. But over the past couple of days, we've gotten more data, and it's become very, very apparent that whenever the price gets right up here around $1.45, for whatever reason, it just is struggling right there, rejected, and then a whole bunch of times rejected. So $1.45, definitely public enemy number one going forward. But let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.